So after 1 year of talking about arowanas, I thought we should talk about something else as well. But we'll not go too far away from arowanas, and we should talk about another water creature only. And
Yes.
then we'll have the yes, you said no, so that's okay.
I think we should keep we ourselves in water for few days and then we can explore the terrain.
Okay, so first time on this channel we are going to talk about something other than arowanas, like I had promised, and this is going to be in a very different format altogether.
Yes.
Right. So what are we going to talk about today?
We are talking about some other fish. Let's do that. A mammal.
Okay. Yeah, it's a water creature, but it's
Yes.
still a mammal. So I was reading the news this morning and I saw that in a first whale song recorded off of the Lakshadweep island. What Kavaratti Island is there in
Yeah, it's Kavaratti, yes.
Island, right?
It's an archipelago, right?
Yeah, right, that's right. So I was reading through it, and so what they have said in that is that they were able to record the sounds of blue whales. So this lady, I guess, Divya Panikar,
She is an underwater doctorate student. I guess.
yeah, and she was in 2015 is when she had met a fisherman, and they said that blue whales
Correct.
are there in the Kavaratti Island. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah, from there she has started investigating about that. She has actually put some device also underwater to track the sound.
Yeah. So they have also put this the recording of the sound, and I'm just going to play that.
Wow.
It is it's on mute. Just hang on a minute. I'll play it back again. There, I'm playing the sound of what they've recorded. Yeah, that's the
Wow.
one. Yeah. So what is this called? This is called what? Whaling.
Yeah,
Whaling.
this actually whaling goes for 1 to 6 low mowing, and the mowing goes for 20 seconds.
Right. I think it'll be very interesting to learn more about these things. And this person, she is pursuing her PhD in oceanography at the
Yes.
University of Washington.
Basically, what is that?
Oceanography. So I was also doing some research on what is
It's
oceanography.
a new term for me.
Yeah. So oceanography, they say, is a discipline that covers a wide range of topics, including marine life and ecosystems, ocean circulation, plate tectonics, and the geology of the sea floor, and a lot of other things, chemical and physical properties of the ocean, and all
Okay,
of that.
basically everything what is underwater, she defines all the tectonic plates.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's nice.
Yeah. I wonder if you go diving into the sea just like that, sea diving or ocean diving,
Yeah.
how much of oceanography would we be able to cover?
Haha, will you be able to come up? Do you know swimming?
No, I don't know. So,
Oh,
so I
that
probably
is,
will
that
listening
is, that is quite the conclusion is got.
to. So probably will just be listening to the sounds and stay there forever.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And,
so they have also said that just like many other specialties into which is like in the medical field, there are disciplines within oceanography as well. So they've got the biological, and then they've got a chemical, geological, physical. So quite interesting.
Do you know actually who is actually funding all this? It's a US Navy.
It's US Navy is funding
Yeah.
all this. Okay,
Yes.
and why do they
I
fund?
mean, like, they just want to know more about it. So all this entire procedure is funding by them.
Right. So it's not about ocean, but when I was a kid and I used to travel through Assam, and the famous river there, Brahmaputra, they were folklores that if you tell something while crossing the Brahmaputra, then you have to do it. If you promise to do something, then you have to do it. And
Did you tell anything?
no, I didn't. It was I don't even remember if ever I crossed the Brahmaputra. I think I may have crossed the Brahmaputra once.
Couple of times.
Yeah, maybe a couple of times. Not sure. Yeah, I don't remember. But yeah, so there was this story which says that there was a lot of people crossing the Brahmaputra in this whatever the launch or whatever it's called, right?
Ferry.
The ferry.
The smaller baby ship.
The baby ship, right?
Yeah,
Right. The baby ship.
I'm very acquainted with that.
Yeah, the baby ship. So this lady who was carrying her kid, and the baby was crying constantly,
Yeah.
and then she said that if you don't stop crying, I'll throw you in the river.
Yes.
And immediately the ferry
Perfect.
stopped,
Yes.
right? And then the people around said, now that you have said, you have to
You
drop-
have to do it.
You have to do it. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. And the story goes-
Actually, they were all stuck in a storm.
right, but
I-
then she dropped the baby, right? Or-
Yes,
yeah,
I mean, they were about to drown.
Yeah, yeah.
Then she said that if we get saved,
Yeah.
then I will drop my
Yeah.
loving the son.
Yeah.
And that's what she had to do.
Yeah, that's right, and that's the story. So I have always been very curious about what's under these big rivers and seas, and of course ocean is the ultimate.
Yeah.
So probably that's one of the reasons why my love for arowanas also.
Possible. It's like just delving inside.
Yeah.
First arowanas, then blue whales, and there are more number of species which are not yet been discovered.
Right, I'm sure.
Not yet been discovered, and whatever we can see, there are lot or more to learn.
Yeah. So I think this is quite interesting that they were able to figure out this blue whale. So they said that they also were able to figure out when they were when she was doing this research that they were so they found these sounds after they had installed certain instruments. I don't really know what those are.
Exactly.
Yeah, so 2018 in December is when they had gone underwater and set up this microphone and all of these
Yes, they
things.
put some microphones.
That's right, and they've figured that they've done the analysis and the research that mostly during the monsoons is when they get to hear more.
Correct.
more of-
In between summer and winter, the monsoon season, it's like a proper hideout for whales.
yeah.
Correct?
That's
I
right.
think I'm using the correct term. It's a hideout for whales. In Lakshadweep.
Correct. But also they were not sure why they were coming during that time. Whether it was because of there's more food during that time of the year, or they don't
Or
really know why they did.
Maybe they were being poached in other areas.
Yeah.
So to save themselves, because they are already endangered species.
Yeah.
To save themselves, they are just taking the hideout.
Yeah, it could be. Absolutely.
And,
Yeah, possible.
I don't know whether you know it or not. This is not the first time. There's a fascinating fact about it. One of the whale has been saved by our former Prime Minister. You know that?
No, what
This,
about that?
Mr. Rajiv Gandhi.
Oh, he did? How?
Oh yeah, he went for a vacation once in Lakshadweep. So we were there hanging out with his family, and then he found a breached by the side, an injured whale. So he, along with his his crew, they just pushed the whale to the water, and he saved it.
Right, very interesting.
And that is not the end of the story. It adds on, like how politics comes underwater also.
Okay,
That's what
that's interesting.
it's just a human being saving an animal. It's just how every humanity does that.
Yeah.
Now what later on it was discovered that the IAS of that place of Lakshadweep has also commented that was not a whale, that was a dolphin.
Oh,
Okay, it was allegedly, it was just rumored that it was a whale, but then he said no, he did not save any whale, it's just dolphin.
but aren't no. I was just about to say that aren't dolphins also type of whale? No, but dolphins are sharks. Aren't they? They are a type of
and-
shark.
Yes, they are kind of shark.
I think maybe we should also figure out a lot to do, dive deeper into whales and dolphins and all of those in future and see
Yes.
what the story is. But irrespective of what Rajiv Gandhi saved, whether it's a dolphin or a whale, he did save
Doesn't
something.
matter, he just saved
He-
another living
Yeah,
being.
he did. So I think
I think rather than finding out what he has saved, we should be thankful for what he had done.
Yeah, absolutely.
But we politics poke nose everywhere.
Yeah, absolutely.
Can't help it.
Absolutely. So this one here, the one that they found though, is the pygmy whale. Okay,
Yeah.
and they say that they're even though they don't look very different at sea, but their songs allow us to identify between different populations. So maybe in one of our in the next ones, we can figure out more as to what the sounds of the different whales are, if people are interested to know about whales.
We should dig it out.
We should dig it out, and let's see if people are interested to know
Yes.
about whales. So I think it's a very interesting thing where they were able to find all this whales and all of those. This is one more thing, since we are talking about oceanography. and it's a study. So they say that a bachelor of science in oceanography provides a strong academic foundation in the physics and biological sciences, including understanding of marine systems. So I know, people are very money minded kind of a thing. They'll
Yes.
wonder after learning this what can they earn, but I think it all comes down to passion. And if you're interested in knowing about the ocean and all, so go check out what oceanography is. At least I didn't know much about it till today.
At least I'll check it out now.
Yeah, I think
I need to know much about it.
yeah, I think it's quite an interesting one. So let's figure it out. So I think we want to keep this video short today. It was more of a
Yeah.
test of whether this kind of
Will it work
yeah,
or not?
yeah. So probably we'll hear from our subscribers and viewers whether
Yes.
this is something they liked, and we'll bring in more of topics.
Not only like whether they are open to some other sort of knowledge or not.
Yeah, absolutely. So
Do they want to confine themselves only in tanks, or they want to explore the world?
yeah, absolutely. So I think we should try and see what it is.
Let's do that.
So great. So if you have watched it till now, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being with us in during this conversation. And that's all for today. Till I come back in the next one. Peace.